Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 or a 10 update screen black in settings fix. How can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your search options and type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening that, first of all, type a command is net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is now you can see that the Windows Update Service could not be stopped. So once again, type a net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net space stop space CRYPSVC. So type a crypt SVC. After that, type a command is net space stop space bits. After that, type a command is net space stop space MSISERV and press enter. After that, type a command is REN C column column backslash Windows backslash software distribution space software distribution.org and press enter. After that, type a command is REN run C columns backslash Windows backslash system32 backslash catroot 2 space catroot 2 .old and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space CRYPSVC and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space bits. After that, type a command is net space start space MSI server and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a services, open services. After that, select update or just services, select it and restart it, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. Okay guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type Windows 11 download. Click on first link, scroll down and click on download now, create Windows 11 installation media. Click on download now, save button. After doing this step, open it. Click on accept button. Click on next button. Select the ISO file. Click on next button. Save any location. The process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. Okay guys, after completing that, click on finish it. After that, go to your save location. In my case is in download section, so open it, open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now you can see that in my cases, my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement, and if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this, that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.